Have you ever wondered what keeps your mobile network running smoothly, even when millions of users are connected at the same time? Welcome to the world of network management and operations, the heartbeat of modern telecommunications. Every second, telecom networks handle massive amounts of data. And behind the scenes, experts ensure it all runs efficiently. But how do they do it? Inside the Network Operations Center, NOC, engineers monitor live dashboards, alarms, and KPIs, reacting in real time to keep the network stable. Can you imagine the precision it takes to detect and fix a fault before users even notice? Through fault management, network teams identify, analyze, and resolve performance issues that could disrupt service quality. And with preventive and corrective maintenance, they work around the clock to ensure every piece of equipment, from routers to base stations, stays in perfect condition. At the core of it all lie the powerful OSS/BSS systems, the digital brains connecting network performance with business operations, ensuring seamless service delivery and customer satisfaction. So, the next time your call connects instantly, or your video streams without buffering, think about this. What systems and people are working behind the scenes to make it happen? In this video, we'll uncover how network management and operations keep the telecom world efficient, reliable, and always connected.